Eggplant rice. Cut eggplants in thin vertical strips. Now, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil to coat the cut eggplants. Sprinkle a little salt and mix. Now put this in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggplants are soft. Check if the eggplants are soft and then keep it aside. Dry roast cardamom, cinnamon, clove, peanuts, coriander, and sesame seeds. Roast only for 1 or 2 minutes. Do not burn them. Allow it to cool and then grind them. Keep this ground powder aside. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, bay leaf, cumin, garlic, cashews about 12 to 14 numbers, onions, asafetida, and mix. Fry the onions until they're transparent and add green chilies, curry leaves, turmeric, and mix it well. Now add the microwaved eggplants from earlier. So add some salt to taste, cumin powder, red chili, ground spices, and mix this well. A little water would be good. I think it needs a little more water, so I'm going to add a little more water and allow it to cook. Now that the eggplant seems well cooked, I'm going to turn off the stove and add on some chopped cilantro, 1 cup, and this mixing well as well. I am adding freshly cooked rice for this. If you have leftovers, they could also be used. Mix this gently without breaking the grains. Now the finishing touch, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. If you want more, you can add it. Now it is ready. This is your eggplant rice dish. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment below.